Hello everyone, welcome back to KKR YouTube channel. As you guys noticed, I'm filming in somewhere different. So today I brought one silky, lovely, wonderful pantyhose in black, and I'm going to show you two different styling with one pantyhose. I think you will like it. So let's get into that. And also guys, please like this video and subscribe my channel. It means a lot to QKR, and thank you so much. Jamieya. Let's open this up. True. So as you guys can see through the camera, this looks really silky. And you know I love reinforced toe, and this especially big toe, like a very wide reinforced toe. And the waistband widenesses are just fine. It's just normal. Okay. And then it also has a hygiene cotton gusset, so you can wear this with or without underwear. So especially with this, hot weather like today. Alright, so here we go. This is the first styling for office look. How do you like this black sheer pantyhose with enamel black high heel? So you can styling with this long sleeve gray shirt. It's very feminine and also like very tidy, not too much skimpy, but also it's elegance with the skirt and a nice tote bag. So with this skirt and shirt, you can style out with this casual way with a flat navy ribbon. What is it called? Flat shoes. Pick your preference. First one or second outfit. Alright everybody, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and please leave a comment which outfit did you prefer, first one and second one. I like both. I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Be good. Bye.